Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a home remedy for cough, cold and catarrh. So relax and enjoy this video. For the candies, we need the following: honey, cinnamon powder. We need also ginger, garlic, lemon, jaggery and mint leaves. Next, you peel and wash the ginger, the garlic and the mint leaves. So you peel the ginger and the garlic, then wash all this. You transfer the ginger, the garlic, the mint leaves into the blender and add a little water to help this to blend thoroughly. So you take this and blend it very well. Next, you place a non-stick saucepan on heat, add in the jaggery to melt, then add some lemon juice and little water. Please don't add too much, you can make it optional, the water. So then you add in the blended ginger, mint and garlic, then stir, add in some honey, some cinnamon powder and freshly squeezed lemon juice again, then stir. You can test this to check whether it can form. If it doesn't form in the water, it's not ready. Then let's test this again. Now you can see that it forms in the water. It's ready. Then what next you're going to do is you're going to quickly transfer this into little scoops onto a non-stick paper. Okay, if you are not fast like me, it may be difficult because it will form quickly. You can put some in a non-stick paper and roll it flat just as I did, and then once everything is set, cut the one you can cut, then you place it in or put it in flat airtight container. Make sure they don't stick to each other. You can lick this anytime, just the way you lick sweets, okay, and it will help to relieve your throat for cough, catarrh and cold. Now for the tea on, the remaining puree from the ginger, garlic, mint, just have to add hot or boiled water into it and add all the ingredients listed on the screen. Then you sift this. Make sure you drink it while it is still hot. Enjoy and get yourself relieved. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.